So this is first time delivery, large Yorkshire breed, and she gave 8 piglets. Right now we don't know how many males and how many females. We have not checked the details. ये फीमेल पहली बार बच्चे दे रहे हैं और इसने 8 बच्चे दिया है अभी। और आप लोग आपका बुकिंग स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। ऑलरेडी 2 बुकिंग हो गया है, मेल और फीमेल, तो बाकी आप लोग बुकिंग कर सकते हैं। हमारे पास मिक्स ब्रीड भी है अवेलेबल, लेकिन अभी तो उसका बच्चे नहीं है, वो ऑलरेडी तो बुकिंग हो गया। सो वी हैव दिस पिगलेट्स, सो यू ऑल कैन स्टार्ट योर बुकिंग। सो these are 1 week old, 8 days old, and she's eating food now, and then she'll give milk for their piglets. Also we have other ones also, so we'll upload the videos later on. So these are 8 piglets. If anybody is searching for male or female for breeding purpose, then they have to wait for another 3 months. So these are all ready now, and they are very healthy. Thank you guys. We have washed this room, so she won't be sleeping to the ground, so she's got a little bit dirty, so that doesn't matter. We washed him every day. Since now we don't wash her every day, like once in a 2 weeks time, 2 times in a week, because we don't want any fever or something, so we have to take precautions of everything and take care of everything.